Hi loves, it's your girl Tila and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing / review, and we are going to be talking about lashes. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And in this channel we bring nothing but positivity with open arms. And for those of you who have been with me, riding with me, hey, welcome back. But if you haven't already, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, as well as hit that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week, if not even more. And you guys can also follow me on all social media platforms. It will be in the description down below. And don't forget to go ahead and check Bxd Lashes. All her information will be down below as well. Alright y'all, enough rambling and let's just dive right into this video. Alright, so I have my notes here. Alright, so please bear with me because I tend to think so much that I tend to forget. So, before I start opening this package, which is so pretty and pink, let's just talk about what I will be reviewing. So it's one of my really good friends, lash line, and it is called Bxd Lashes, and her name is Brittany. She's also going out with one of my cousins. She is from here, Hawaii, in the city of Tilaking. Hey. We also went to school with each other. She's such a good person. She's real cool. She's down to earth. She's chill. You know, she good peoples, okay? I'm gonna just put it that way. I'm simply just being a friend, supporting her and her business, and you know, and basically yes, I am going to be a little biased in this video, okay? Forgive me, but I'm just one of her friends who's just supporting her, and I wish nothing but the best for her, and that she can strive and just to become more successful than she already is. And I wish nothing but the best for you, girl. Yeah. Alright, so let's talk about her lash line. It is called Bxd Lashes, and she's based in Las Vegas, Nevada. She has two types of lashes. It is Silk and 3D Mink Lashes. And these lashes are reusable up to 20 times, but of course with proper care. In other words, take care of it because it will last longer. Okay. As far as shipment goes, she sends out packages every Wednesdays and Saturdays. So within that whole entire frame, she's of course going through your orders and getting things done, but she does send those out. So wherever you are in the country, girl, and in the States, she sends it out Wednesdays and Saturdays, depending on how far you are or if you're out of the country and stuff. It definitely could vary. And you guys can also use code Tilaking at checkout for 20% off. 20% off. Come on, y'all. And you can also be featured on her Instagram when you tag at bxd.lashes. I feel like what separates her from actually going into the store is I feel that she actually takes the time to not only go through what she sends out, but of course she uses her own lashes, right? And I'm super excited to go ahead and talk about it and just get through this package. All right, so without further ado, you guys, let's just open her right up. Here we have, it's in pink, of course. In the front, it will show, you know, of course, like your address and all of that stuff. So let's just go ahead and open her. So I actually received this like probably like a half a week ago, and I'm sorry I'm a little late, but I've just been so caught up with everything and life hit, girl. You know, and so, ooh, I ordered a lot of these lashes, and I will be showing you guys in this clip right here. Yes, I ordered that much. All right, so now that she is open, let's talk about inside the packaging. So on the inside, it is secure with bubble wrap. It is attached to the package itself, and this is how it looks all the way down to the bottom. Let's just go through each one and just talk about the names and how she looks, okay? So let's start with BREEZY. Okay, she's giving me that breezy vibe, okay? So this is how she looks. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but I'm gonna try my best because everything in here is bright. And let me add that if you hear a rattling noise, that is my fan. It is hot here in Hawaii right now, okay? And I just got off of work, so she hot. Next, it is called Dime. Look at that. Look how pretty she is. Girl, tell me not. That's definitely Dime. Next, we have Royalty. Oh, girl, these lashes, I was slaying these ones, honey. There you go. And then these ones are DIVINA. These ones I wear all the time. Like, these are my go-tos. I always wear these because for some reason, girl, DIVINA gives me my life. Okay? My whole entire existence, girl. Like, I rock her every day. But except these ones, today I am rocking Glory. Look at that. Oh, look at that, honey. Next, we have Dream. This, it is a dream, okay, girl? This is really pretty. Oh my goodness. Next, we have Diamond. She is nice and full. You know, if you're like me who loves full lashes, these would be great for you. You know, but she also has, you know, very natural types of looks as well. It's not just full. You know, she has many different styles, not just that. And next, we have Dolled. Look at that, honey. Next, we have Go Getter. Yeah. Now, these are pretty full, honey. Now, look at that. Now, these I feel like would be best if you go out to, like, you know, the club, or you're going out, you know, with your girls somewhere, night out in town, you know, and just having a good time, girl. These would be great for that. Well, of course, you can wear her during the day. It's really up to you. Next, it is called Love. Here we go. Now, this is kind of more on the natural side, you know, kind of soft, which this is cute. Next up, we have Drizzy. Look at that. Next, we have Glamorous. Look at that, honey. Next, we have LJ. Okay, now these are kind of like thin in the front, and then it kind of slowly just gets thicker and thicker, and she just swings her out at the end. Can you see that? And you see how like she is thin right here, and then she gets thicker as she goes out, which is cute because if you like that cat eye effect, that'd be great for that. And last but not least, we have Dream. This is so pretty. Here she is. All right, so now that we got through the names, let's just open her up. Let's just talk about packaging. So already just by looking at this, I feel like she took the time to think about her packaging because it is still cute, it's simple, but elegant, but it's to the point, you know, and look at that. And that pink behind here, it is actually glitter. So let's just go ahead and open her up. And she comes like this. Look at that. Okay, now let's just go ahead and like full on touch her. Okay, so the lash itself, it is soft. It is definitely soft. And me, I like my lashes to be soft. Of course, you're wearing her on your eyes. You know, you want everything to have that natural feel, right? The band itself is pretty thick. So that's good. Because in most cases, when the lashes are like, when the lash band is thin, the hairs start to come off, which that's something you don't want. It's best that you order from her because, I mean, come on, these are good lashes. You know, it beats you going into the store, like, you know, like we are all guilty of, right? Especially when you're like on the go, you just go to like a Walgreens, Target, or anywhere that you go that has lashes, right? And you just go and you just go get it. But one thing that kind of sucks about that is it tends to fall. Like the hair starts to fall apart, right? She starts to come off. especially when you had a long night, okay? She still will be late, okay? And I'm just so obsessed with these lashes. You know, ever since I got hooked on these lashes, these are the only lashes I be rocking. Anytime you guys see me wearing lashes, you know what lashes I'll be wearing. And again, don't forget to use code Tilaking for 20% off. And let's talk about the unicarton that it comes in. So back here, as you guys can see, it's glittery. Look at that. And so like when you feel it, of course you're gonna feel the glitter, but it doesn't come off, right? Because in most cases glitter does come off and it will get attached to your skin. You go, girl. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to just come on here and talk to you guys about this, about these lashes and how amazing they are. And it's like, again, I know I said I'm a little biased, but I'm also going to be honest with you guys, okay? But she is a good friend of mine, and I want nothing but the best for her, and that, you know, that she can succeed in her line. And you guys, go ahead and check her out. All right, I know this video might be a little short, but I just wanted to come on here quick just to let you guys know about her lash line. All right, you guys, again, thank you guys for watching my video, for being with me. I truly appreciate it, you guys. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, as well as hit that notification bell so you won't be able to miss all these good stuff. All her information will be in the description down below, so go ahead and check her out and get these lashes. All right, you guys, and until next time, bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.